punished.
Yeah. Good day.
Good vibes. Today we're gonna be playing Operation in Real Life.
We're gonna use these giant tweezers to try and retrieve body parts.
But if you miss, I'll. Alright, let's play! Okay.
What you gonna start with?
Broken heart. Oh,
Oh,
we latched on.
you got it.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Pretty good. You did it, I'm sorry.
So Vitaly got shocked. Now it's my turn.
Oh, nice.
Ready?
Woo, what is that?
Oh, I don't know about this.
My Adam's apple?
Your
That
Adam's
one's
apple.
tough.
Here it comes. Oh no,
Don't do it.
Oh.
I'm gonna take out your spare rib.
Oh, I'm not really hungry.
Sorry.
Sorry.
We're genuinely being shocked. We're being punished.
This controls the board, so when they touch the edge, they feel it.
We heard you.
They feel it.
All right, it's my turn. Brandy, you got 2 pieces?
Yep.
Brandy, why
Okay.
do you have a fanny pack, but you're not using your fanny pack for the part? Is there just snacks in there?
They're just snacks in these.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the ankle bone.
Not the best tactic.
Just trying to like blow it out.
I will punish you for this. That's right.
We have liftoff.
Narrowly avoided that one.
Whoops. Ah! Wait, you moved that forward? No
I
way!
did nothing. I did nothing of the sort. Oh.
Ah!
What?
Ah!
You each get 15 seconds at a time to remove a part, and if you can't do it in 15 seconds, you get shocked like lightning. Oh. Oh. Woo! You're a lucky pony. Go, go, go. Is this for me? Oh. Oh. I'm sorry. Oh. Sorry.
No, you're all.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Touch it. I didn't touch it.
You didn't.
I didn't touch it. I didn't.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Good job. 10 seconds, time to go. Oh, wait. It already.
Brandy, this one's for you.
You also punctured my spleen when you did that. Come on.
I'm not touching it.
You're running out of time.
Try to like
Look
flee
at
out.
his joint
What? Okay.
Can't even do 10
5,
seconds.
4, 3. Oh.
Oh no.
I thought she missed it.
5,
Like,
Go, go.
4, 3. Ooh, good job. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh wait, I thought you were counting me down to do it. Oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop!
5, 4,
Oh, that
3,
is so stuck.
2,
It's so stuck.
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh!
That was a close one. Now we're gonna have butterflies in our stomach.
I always have butterflies in my stomach when I'm around you.
No, what? That's me!
Stop flirting! You're doctors! 5, 4. Oh, I hit my face.
You got
I
it.
got it!
5, 4, 3.
Go!
Whoa. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's just too.
gosh.
You can't get that one.
5.
Ow, my face.
I saw you touched it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah!
Yes!
I won, but
I think we both won against you.
girlfriend
Do you
Shadow.
think that?